99 Mercedes S420 power steering pump remover. This the pump. Now the pump, it'll look like it got this one screw in it, but you won't be able to get it out. The rest of the screws just mount the pump to the bracket. So the bracket, to get the pump out, you take these 4 screws around the pump out, and you can change just the pump. But you need to change like the back part, the reservoir, with power lines, the high pressure lines go in and all that. You're gonna have to take the whole thing off with the bracket. So it'll be this one screw, and then in the back it has some spots right here on the edge, right next to that spot where it'll have a ground wire. It's a screw behind the pump, looking from this way behind. Come in here. It's like a Torx bit. I use like a 10 millimeter to get it on the closed end. And the other one is right here, and they come in from the back, and they both like right here. You can see the screw. This one, the one on the edge by the ground wire, coming in from the back. And what the other one? Well, now actually this the other one down low, and this one is the other one coming in from the back next to the ground wire. This is the ground one. So it's 2 coming in from the back, one right here on the corner, one way down here. I kind of blind got it with a small ratchet 10 millimeter, and you could get it, but it's here. It is no hand room. And I know it's gonna be hell getting back on, but that's how you get it.